In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use summary blocks on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. A summary block is a powerful way to showcase content that already lives elsewhere on your site, like blog posts, products, events, or portfolio items, without recreating anything. It pulls from a collection page and displays it in a clean, customizable layout, perfect for home pages, landing pages, and sidebars. Start by logging in to your Squarespace account and opening your site. From the main dashboard, head into your website panel so you're looking at your pages. Choose the page where you want the summary to appear, then enter editing mode. In Fluid Engine, you'll see the grid-based canvas. This lets you place and resize blocks exactly where you want them. Click Add Block on the canvas, then search for or select Summary. As soon as you add it, a pop-up will ask which collection page you want to pull content from. Pick the source that makes sense for you, your blog, your shop, events, or another collection. If you don't see the content you expect here, make sure that collection already has published items and images. Next, open the blocks editor by double-clicking the summary block, or by clicking it once and selecting the pencil icon. You'll see two main areas to work with: content and design. In the Content tab, confirm your source collection, then fine-tune what appears. You can limit the number of items shown, filter by categories or tags, and choose the sort order, like newest first. You can toggle on or off elements such as images, titles, dates, authors, and excerpts, and decide whether items click through to their original pages. If your thumbnails look inconsistent, check that your source items have images and that excerpts aren't overly long. Switch to the Design tab to control the layout and styling. Choose a layout style such as grid, list, wall, or carousel, then adjust options like the number of columns, image, aspect ratio, image cropping, spacing, and text alignment. This is where you make it match your site's look and feel. Since you're in Fluid Engine, you can also resize and reposition the block on the canvas to get the perfect visual balance across desktop and mobile. Use device previews to ensure everything reads well on smaller screens. When you're happy with the setup, click Save to commit your changes. That's it, your summary block is now live, automatically pulling and presenting content from the collection you chose and keeping it up to date as you add new items.